today. I hope everybody is doing well. ¿Cómo están? Espero que todos estén bien. Today I'm bringing you a video on a stamp, on a nail stamp. Maniology was kind enough to send me some products and I wanted to show them to you guys. Everything is going to be around the screen, anything you need to know, and also it's going to be everything linked below. I had a little trouble with it in the beginning, and I'm going to go ahead and insert the video so you guys could see what I mean. So my love, this is how everything is looking like. I'm going to try to put everything down and set it down. This was the first kit that I picked, and obviously it's kittens. Then they told me to pick some nail polishes, and I did so. They also sent me this cotton picker, which is a cool gadget. And then these are all the plates that I got. I got this one obviously because it's a mermaid plate, and they all come in their own like little slip kind of packaging, and they all come with this blue film on top that you need to like take off before you start doing your nails and everything, because this is just to protect the plate. And this pattern right here is of like animal different prints, which is beautiful. And as you could see, they all come in a little sleeve to put them away. I also picked 2 extra nail polishes, a black and a white, because I think those are the 2 colors that are going to pop more. I also went ahead and picked other colors as well. You're going to see that I'm going to have like a marble white here. Then I'm going to have like a golden shimmery, of course. You know that I love shimmer and glitter. And then this is the top coat. And this is the little gadget right here to pick up your cottons, which I think it was such a great idea, because sometimes you want to like take your polish off, but you don't want to mess up your nails, and this is cool, a cool gadget. And of course, this is my main pick. This is like the starter kit, which I pick the plate to be kittens because you guys know I love my kittens. And this comes with everything you need for the first application or the first try-on. It does bring with this pamphlet. It comes with it, so you could follow directions and, you know, and read it, guys. It's a must to read it because you learn a lot. Then it comes with this little scraper that you scrape your polishes before you apply the stamp. You'll see. I'll demonstrate everything. And this is the 2 nail polishes that it comes with as a trial or as a starter kit. I cannot even talk. And this is the stamp. This is the kitten plate. Isn't this beautiful? I am in love. I love it so much. So now this is, I did try both 2 times. Like if you see right here, and I was very unsuccessful. I was like, what is going on? Why am I not picking, you know, the product? And guys, big FYI, you see how hard I'm doing it? No. I'll show you later on how it's supposed to be, because I was like, why not picking it up if I do it slightly, if I don't, if I'm doing it quick enough. But you'll see me that I get frustrated. You see nothing 1, 2, 3 times, and I'm not picking nothing up. So yeah, and I tried it again and again and again, and yeah, I got kind of frustrated. And FYI, you need to put something under like your whole space where you're working, because that will mess up your table. It did mine's. Well, you know, life goes on, you live and you learn. But yeah, just keep on watching and you see. And you'll see right here me trying, almost gonna pop this little gadget this time because I could not get it to stick nowhere, no how. I was so frustrated. I'm gonna try another one to see if it'll pick up. Um, guys, it was very frustrating. And as you see, I did grab a little bit on it, but still wasn't the full, like the whole shabam kind of thing. And I did try it in my nail, which you'll see here, not perfect at all. So yeah, I suggest for you guys to watch the video and yeah, and pay attention to certain things because then it's all worth it. And right about now, I'm saying, what am I doing wrong? I was gonna give up. ¿Qué estoy haciendo mal? ¿Qué estoy haciendo mal? Very frustrating, guys. Now here's another story. Everything came on beautifully. So guys, what I did was I went ahead and I took this little thing out and I washed it with soap, and then I took tape and I went over it like to get the fuzzies and everything. So and that worked in this, sorry, and that worked in this hand beautifully. Look how beautiful it looks. And this design right here that I have here was that I used like silver nail polish. I used it here, so I love the detailing. And here obviously I was starting, so I didn't know that much. Practice makes perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do it right now in this hand right here so you guys could see. Make sure that you guys put something in the bottom of the plate and everything, so when you swipe it, because I messed up my table downstairs. So let's go. You cannot pick it up like really hard. You just have to go like this. Boom. Ah! I'm obsessed. And then you just put it in your nail. You see it through here where you want it. And you just stamp it in. Look how beautiful. And little things are gonna come up. You just put them down. When you seal it, I am obsessed. Obsessed. And then obviously things are going to be there, and this you're going to seal. It's going to get better. This is a like a top coat. You're going to put it on top so it won't come off. You get a piece of tape, any tape, and you go like this, and you lift this, and it's new. You see? So, oh my god, I am obsessed. I know I have different like kind here, because this one that I did here when I am learning, when I was picking it up, I did it here because I was trying it. So, and these two are gonna look all jacked up because I was trying to trying it, so never mind that. But yeah, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna be very honest. What I did notice was that the little things, like the little sayings, like this one, this says, bitch, I'm a mermaid, mermaid's princess, the mermaid life, like these, I cannot pick them up as clear. So I don't know if I haven't tried it yet, but I'm gonna try this Little Mermaids here, right here, to see if I put them in my pinky right here, see if it picks up really cute. I'm obsessed, guys. Obsessed. Look at that, guys. And then I'll take this and I'll clean it up. Then you can get tape as well. You could get tape. Let me seal this one so it won't come off. And just little by little, just take the little things that you don't want, like this. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm off frame, like, or this little thing that was here, right here. This and this. You see? Just be careful that you don't mess up your design. See? And boom. I'm gonna seal this one so that I won't lift up or nothing. Let me seal it really quick. I'm gonna put something else here, so I'm just gonna leave it there for a minute. And this dries really quick, and then you could do whatever. Oh my god, mermaid nails. I'm gonna see if I could just take this off. I don't know how, maybe acetone, I don't know. And I'll see if I redo it. I will show you the final results. But I am freaking obsessed now that I can do it. Thank you. So guys, as you saw, I was like, why is this not working for me? Why isn't it working? But it did work at the end, and I'm very, very happy for that. And yeah, and these are currently my nails right now. I don't know if you guys could see. I'll put a picture of if you cannot see it. Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight. I am in total love with my nails right now. I love it so much because now I know how to do it. And yeah, it is easy peasy lemon squeezy. You're gonna love it. There's a lot of plates that you could choose from. The website is gonna be linked down below, and the coupon code, everything is gonna be listed down below. Check them out, try them out, thank me. Yeah, so yeah, that is everything for now. Thank you so much for sending me these products for me to review, and I really love them. I'm obsessed. I love you guys so much. I hope you like this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and talk to you guys in my next video.